Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to go over the FabFitFun Spring 2021 spoilers and they are here already, which is exciting. So for those who doesn't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. So you would be getting like 4 subscription box in a year, and if you're a seasonal subscriber, then you would be paying like $49.99, and annual subscribers would pay little low, but you would pay like ahead of time and you would get value of $200 plus, which is amazing. Here we go. Alright, so here is the box. So it's like the FabFitFun, and then it's like spring kind of vibes. It has got like that florally kind of box, which is amazing. So it looks really good. Now let's look at the first spoiler. So here is the first spoiler, and all of the subscribers will be able to pick this one up in their spring box, and this is Alice plus Oliva Daisy duffel bag, and this one retails for $150, and we did reveal this like almost like a month back. If you're missing out, don't forget to click on the notification bell such that you would get notified whenever I post any spoilers. So this one is the Alice plus Oliva Daisy print duffel bag, and this one features a stress face silicone zip pull up and includes the removable shoulder straps, and this one is of 16-inch wide and 9.5 inch of height and 8.25 inch. Has got like 10-inch handles. So this is how it looks on their website. So this is the duffel bag. So it looks really interesting. It has got that daisy flowers print on it, and it goes good with their spring theme, and this one retails for $150, and this one is like florally print. And let's see if we have the product details. Just want to make sure if that's the same. Yeah, it has the same description: 16 by 9.5 by 8.25, and removable shoulder strap, zipper enclosure, and 2 exterior side pockets and 1 internal zip pocket. And this is a duffel bag. So this is how it looks. The next beauty that we have is this, and this is Perricone MD Essentials, and it's a moisturizer, and this one retails for $98, and this one reduces the appearance of wrinkles and creases, and its vitamin F blend improves the skin's moisturizer barrier, and this is how it looks. And this is the Perricone MD moisturizer, like the moisturizer, like what color is it and how it looks. So this is the packaging, and this is how it looks. Okay, so this is like a white moisturizing consistency of the cream, and this is a nutrient packed moisturizer to deeply moisturize, visibly firm, lift and smooth skin's appearance, and retails for $98. And 87% felt skin was deeply moisturized. Of course, it's a moisturizer. Duh. And 84% felt more supple skin, and 83% saw skin with a healthy glow. Wow, that's what we are looking for. The next beauty that we have is this one. It is the Short Stories LED indoor planter, and this one retails for $60, and it's True Leaf Market Italian large leaf basil seeds, and that seeds would retail for $2.49. So total of $62.49 value. I probably might pick this one because it's just so interesting. It's a LED indoor planter. It sounds so interesting, so I love it. And this one is a planter, features a multi-spectrum LED lights and includes 1 gram packet of non-GMO large leaf Italian basil seeds, and this is how it looks. And this is from the short stories, and I tried to find this even online, and I was able to find it on Macy's and also Nordstrom, which retails for like $100, so their price seems reasonable to me. And the next beauty that we have is Monroe Classic watch in sunburst, and this one value of $105. Wow. And it's a 1-button cell in the watch and includes a dust bag. That's an interesting watch too, but do you guys really wear watch anymore? Because we have cell phones to look at the time. Let me know in the comments. Like, I'm not really a watch kind of person, but if you are, you might really like this option. All right, the next option that I see is from the Jenny water tray with cutout handles, and this one retails for $45, and it features cutout handles. Use the tray to display candles, flowers, and more. Next beauty that we have is this one. So this is like the techie stuff we are getting into, and I'm really excited for this one too. And this is a Check Candy UV sanitizing bed, and this one retails for $60. So of course this is what we need for this season. This is it kills 99% of the Staph E. coli and Salmonella, and items should be placed inside for 5 minutes per side and can be used to sanitize items with hard flat surface, including phones and IDs, and includes one charging cord. So are you one of those persons like where you often touch your phone and you'll be like, what if there is like already kind of germs on this and I'm using it? If you're one of those like me, then you might need this one. So this is how it looks. So when we place the like keys, so this big is how it is. So it would fit a phone comfortably, so that's a good sign. And retails for $59.99. You would get one UV sanitizing device. Okay, there is a size description: 4 by 8.66 by 1.5, and one power cord of 3.28 feet length. The next beauty that we have is this, and this is the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Face Mask and Mini Watermelon Brightening Face Serum, and value of $44. And Watermelon Brightening Face Mask, it's a Swiss Garden Crisp sprout extract, helps brighten the appearance of dark spots. Watermelon fruit extract hydrates immediately and can be used as a spot treatment. Really? I really need that. And next we also have in the same Mini Watermelon Brightening Face Serum. Watermelon fruit extract delivers immediate hydration. Vitamin A, C, and E helps fight against free radicals. Have you ever thought what are these free radicals that we always complain about? All right, the next beauty that we have is this. It's the umbrella, and this one retails for $40, and it features a button on the handle for easy opening and umbrella sleeve included. And I think we already had this in the past. So this is how it looks: button opening and cute floral print. Okay, the last beauty that we have is this, that is the Calpak set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet, and this one retails for $40 and features small, medium, and large packing cubes made with durable fabric, great for organizing. So these are all the spoilers that we have for the customization one. Let me know in the comments below like which one would you want to select. All of them are like a really nice and interesting products, so I want to get all of those. All right guys, well that's pretty much it for today, and if I um, will come to know about like future customizations I'm going to post on this channel. So stay tuned, and if at all I'm not able to post it on the channel, at least I would reveal it on my Instagram. So I'm going to leave my Instagram handle below, so do check that out as well. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.